Diamond Tyres Limited is one of the largest tyre manufacturing companies in Pakistan, with the fastest annual growth rate in the industry. Diamond Tyres started its operations in 1968 with a small facility in Karachi and later expanded its operations with a state-of-the-art manufacturing plant located on the outskirts of Lahore, Pakistan. Diamond Tyres is a part of the Diamond Group of Industries, which is one of the largest business conglomerates in Pakistan. As of today, the Diamond Group of Industries boasts of a diverse portfolio of businesses and is leading national and international brands, including Diamond Supreme Foam, Diamond Tyres, Diamond Jumbo Lawn, Diamond Wood, and Dolce Vita Home, with a presence in countries across the region including Turkey, Afghanistan, Mozambique, and South Africa. What makes a company great isn't just the facilities. It's not the products, factories, or the flashy lights, but it is the value that they provide to their customers. And companies who keep their customers as their priority surely shine bright like a diamond. It's the trust of customers that Diamond Tyres puts at its forefront. Tyre Mazboot, Safar Mehfooz is the philosophy we apply throughout our 360-degree cycle, from in-house to external stakeholders and customers. Diamond Tyres believes in trust, durability, and safety. Diamond Tyres Limited has provided quality and reliability to its customers for over 40 years, establishing itself as true entrepreneurs and pioneers of the tyre industry in South Asia. For Diamond Tyres, being top of the line means being able to carry the load of our customers' expectations and helping them grow through reliability. Reliability for us means providing value to our customers, value through longer tyre life. The journey for Diamond Tyres started more than 5 decades ago with a small factory, and piece by piece, it became one of the largest tyre manufacturers in Pakistan, with recognition from all the top Pakistani motorcycle manufacturers. Main players such as Honda, United, Unique, Star, and more are regular customers who bear testimony to our commitment to quality. Our tyre manufacturing journey began from motorcycles, but since then, we have come a long way, and our portfolio has grown from making motorcycle tyres to making tyres for rickshaws, tractors, lightweight trucks, wheelbarrows, and bicycles. Our core values are based on customer satisfaction, ethics, entrepreneurship, social responsibility, diversity, leadership, and above all, integrity. These values are a part of our souls and influence all the decisions and plans of the company. Our state-of-the-art facility is rapidly growing with time, and we aim to provide it with the best human resource. All the machines we use in the process are top-notch and regularly maintained. Our workflow has been compartmentalized in a way that ensures safety and maximum output. The professionals, from the management to the most experienced labor, are all tasked to be the best version at the machines and processes. Best available raw material is procured from not just Pakistan but from across the globe, tested in our labs with rigorous processes and then handed over to the workforce to create magic. Once the process is initiated, most of it is computerized and just monitored by the workforce. The material goes through very strict quality checks and extensive molding and shaping processes to finally create what we call an amazing tyre. We are manufacturing different types of tyres, the process and assembly lines are not the same for each tyre. Once the product is ready, it goes through numerous quality checks to check the final product, and then only is it sent out to the customers to use. Our processes and keen eye on quality has brought dozens of certifications and awards our way, such as Annual Environment Excellence Award, Seal of Brands Foundation 15 to 16 Award, Pakistan Green Building Council Certificate, Lahore Chamber of Commerce, Certification International 13 to 14, ISO 9001-2008 and ISO 9001-2015. We are a completely technology-driven company, and all processes from mixing to treat extrusions, from nylon cord pasting to ply cutting, tyre building to tyre curing and foam packing to testing are computerized, and our factory even has its own power plant. which is on international standards to green emission for protection of our environment. Safety is taken very seriously at our company, from the time our workforce enters the facility till they are ready to go home. We have made sure that all safety standards are met. We have created step-by-step processes, made safe lines and created backup protocols in our factory. Especially with the COVID-19 situation in the world, safety has taken a new meaning by not just being about the machinery, but also about sanitization and SOPs to protect our workforce. The entire factory is sanitized as soon as the workers leave, and when the workforce arrives at the factory to work, their temperature is checked, they are sanitized, masks are compulsory, and they maintain social distancing. The safety of our employees is of utmost importance to Diamond Tyres, be it against a pandemic or day-to-day work related. There are over 30 different kinds of rubbers, fillers and other such materials used in making a diamond tire. Each material is handpicked by our trained inspectors to ensure the very best of quality. The handpicked materials are mixed in giant blenders. This creates a black gummy compound that is sent to the mill. At the mill, the cooled rubber is cut into strips with precision. These strips will be used to form the structure of the tire. After the cutting is completed, the rubber strips and other tire materials are coated with nylon cords. This adds durability to a tire. Now that we have all the materials, it's time to build the tire. The textile elements, steel belts, beads, ply, thread, and other components are placed in a state-of-the-art, all-well Taiwan tire building machine. This results in forming what is commonly called a green tire, a tire that is beginning to look like the end product. Now comes the curing process, where the green tire is vulcanized by hot molds in a curing press. Here, all parts of the tire are compressed together to give the tire its final shape, including the tread pattern. The entire process occurs in front of a team of highly qualified quality engineers. At the end of the process, these inspectors use special machinery to check for the slightest of imperfections before the tire is packed. Some tires are also randomly selected and put in line for X-raying to check for any potential problems. Our quality engineers often randomly select tires and cut them open to see if they meet Diamond Tire standards. After quality control gets through with the tires, only the hand-picked approved tires are then packed through a tire packing machine, which ensures that the tires are packed airtight to keep them safe from the external environment. At Diamond Group of Industries, we like to keep things green, and for that very reason, we have our very own steam boiler. This steam boiler can power the entire factory with a minimum carbon footprint. Our water is treated before being disposed, and all measures are taken from our end to make sure we see a greener Pakistan. With our best practices and customer focus, we are proud that Diamond Tyres have come a long way. Today, every third motorcycle manufactured in Pakistan is mounted with Diamond Tyres. We are the second largest exporter of tyres and tubes from Pakistan to the rest of the world. We have 70 partners across Pakistan, cover 151 plus districts, 15,000 retail outlets that keep our confidence, and most of all, we have over 25 million satisfied customers. What many companies dream of, we have achieved more or less in 5 decades. We are proud that we are one of the largest industrial groups in Pakistan and have a strong partnership with the goals to develop our nation. Where we are today is not the destination, but what we see as a mere beginning. The beginning of a new resolve in our journey to create extraordinary products, bring innovation into customers' lives, build our nation, and beat our own legacy. Heere jaisi shaan, Pakistan ki pehchan. Diamond Tyres. टायर मजबूत, सफर महफूज।